everyone. So in this video I am going to explain about the lymphomas. So as we all know, the lymphomas were of two types. First one is the Hodgkin lymphoma and the other one is the non-Hodgkin lymphoma. So Hodgkin lymphoma and the non-Hodgkin lymphoma. Non-Hodgkin lymphoma. So first in this I'm going to explain about the Hodgkin lymphoma. So in the Hodgkin lymphoma, as first we know about the origin, that what is the origin of Hodgkin lymphoma. This is our first question. Second question, why Hodgkin lymphoma will occur, due to which, what is the cause of Hodgkin lymphoma. So for the origin, so Hodgkin lymphoma's origin were from the B cell. Please remember it. B cells were the origin for Hodgkin lymphoma, while for the non-Hodgkin lymphoma, B and T cells both are responsible. B cells and T cells both are responsible. Basically in this video we only cover the Hodgkin lymphoma. So and what is the cause of the Hodgkin lymphoma? So the cause of Hodgkin lymphoma is Epstein-Barr virus. Please remember it. Epstein-Barr virus is the cause of Hodgkin lymphoma. And what is the characteristic finding you find? So characteristic finding, characteristic cell which we find in this Hodgkin lymphoma is this image, that is, as we see here, it is a Reed-Sternberg cells. It is a RS cells. And how we identify it? RS cells, basically in the RS cell, the we see the eosinophilic. So the center portion is eosinophilic, it is pink in color, while for the cytomegalovirus, the center portion of that owl's eye will in the basophilic color. So here it is eosinophilic. Please remember it. It is eosinophilic and it is the characteristic cell of the Hodgkin lymphoma. I am not telling you that it is a characteristic marker. I am telling you it is a characteristic cell. So the characteristic cell of Hodgkin lymphoma is Reed-Sternberg cell. RS cell, that is Reed-Sternberg cell. Now the marker for RS cell. So what is the marker for RS cell? This is our third. Sorry, this is first question. This is second question, and the characteristic cell is the third question. And here the fourth question is that what is the marker for RS cell? What is the marker for Hodgkin lymphoma? So the marker for Hodgkin lymphomas were, please remember it, these were very important: CD15, CD30 and PAX5. All these were the markers for Hodgkin lymphoma. CD15, 30 and PAX5 were the markers for Hodgkin lymphoma. My next question, question number 5th, is that what is the most sensitive marker? So the most sensitive, and the next question is what is the most specific marker? So most sensitive and most specific marker. So the most specific marker is PAX5. Please remember it. PAX5 is most specific and this CD30 is the most sensitive, that is CD30 is most sensitive marker for Hodgkin lymphoma. So these were very, very important questions, that most sensitive, most specific, and the markers for Hodgkin lymphomas were CD15, 30 and PAX5. PAX5, as in the name, PAX marker X is coming, so it is started with specific. S and P both were coming, so S and P both were there, so it is specific. So specific is PAX5 and sensitive is CD30 marker. Now what were the clinical features were present in the Hodgkin lymphoma? So the clinical features of the Hodgkin lymphoma were that there is lymph node enlargement. There is enlargement of the lymph node, and the other feature is that the enlargement of the lymph node is of cervical lymph node enlargement, inguinal lymph node enlargement, or there is axillary lymph node enlargement. There is axillary lymph node enlargement is there, and on the consumption of alcohol there is pain in this lymph node. So lymph node pain increase on the alcohol, consumption of alcohol. Please remember it, on consumption of alcohol, on the drinking, if the patient drink alcohol, then there is pain in these lymph node. So this is a most important point, that while drinking alcohol, their lymph node will going to pain. And the second feature is, first one is there is lymph node enlargement, second one is there is fever, and fever is pale abstain fever. Fever is pale abstain fever. Fever is pale abstain fever. And what is the staging for Hodgkin lymphoma? So the staging for Hodgkin lymphoma is Ann Arbor staging. Please remember it. Ann Arbor staging is for Hodgkin lymphoma. So this is a previous year question. Please remember it. The questions which I marked like questions, so that those were all the previous year questions. So the staging for Hodgkin lymphoma is Ann Arbor staging. Now what were the types of Hodgkin lymphoma? So for the types of Hodgkin lymphoma, we have classical Hodgkin lymphoma and non-classical Hodgkin lymphoma. So it is divided into classical Hodgkin lymphoma and non-classical Hodgkin lymphoma. So why in the further, classical Hodgkin lymphoma were divided into four types. So those were, first one is nodular sclerosis. Second one is mixed cellularity. Third one is the lymphocyte rich. And the fourth one is in which the lymphocytes were depleted. So the lymphocytes depleted. So these were the four types of Hodgkin lymphoma: classical Hodgkin lymphoma, nodular sclerosis, mixed cellularity, lymphocyte rich, lymphocyte depleted. So the nodular sclerosis, so for the now one point of about each Hodgkin lymphoma, which is most important points, and those were asked in previous year questions. So for the nodular sclerosis, in this we see the lacunar cells. In the nodular sclerosis. So please remember it, that lacunar cells were seen in the nodular sclerosis. And here M mixed cellularity, M represent the most and I represent the India. So it is most common in India. So mixed cellularity is most common in India. And M for males. So it is most common in males. And it is most common associated with Epstein-Barr virus. And it is also most common associated with HIV. So please remember these points about the Hodgkin lymphoma, that it is most common in India, as M represent the most common and I represent the India. So most common in India Hodgkin lymphoma, mixed cellularity. M for males, so most common in males, associated with Epstein-Barr virus and HIV. And the overall most common is in the world, nodular sclerosis. Please remember it, that most common in the world is nodular sclerosis, while in India mixed cellularity. And the next point about the lymphocyte rich Hodgkin lymphoma is that it is mononuclear. Reed-Sternberg cells were seen. So in this mononuclear RS cells were seen. When you read the clinical case, so this point is mentioned in the question, that mononuclear RS cells were seen. So mononuclear were seen in lymphocyte rich Hodgkin lymphoma. While in the lymphocyte depleted, we find in the lymphocyte depleted we see the mummified RS cell. So mummified RS cells were seen in the lymphocyte depleted, and it gives the worst prognosis. So the worst prognosis, or we can say poor or worst prognosis, is of lymphocyte depleted. Worst or poor prognosis is found of the lymphocyte depleted, while the best prognosis is with the non-Hodgkin lymphoma, non-Hodgkin, it is non-classical Hodgkin lymphoma. So in this, what we see in the non-classical Hodgkin lymphoma, we find the nodular lymphocyte predominant Hodgkin lymphoma. So if we can also write it NLPHL, non-lymphocyte predominant Hodgkin lymphoma, and this gives the best prognosis, and it gives the best prognosis. So best prognosis is with non-classical Hodgkin lymphoma. I'm not telling you non-Hodgkin lymphoma, I'm telling you non-classical Hodgkin lymphoma, that is NLPHL, gives the best prognosis, while worst prognosis is in the lymphocyte depleted Hodgkin lymphoma. And what is the finding we see in the non-classical Hodgkin lymphoma? We see the popcorn cells. So popcorn cells were seen with non-classical Hodgkin lymphoma. So these were the points about the types of the Hodgkin lymphoma. So I hope in this you remember the most important questions which I want to tell you, that the staging is in the Hodgkin lymphoma is Ann Arbor staging is followed. In the Hodgkin lymphoma we see the RS cells, marker CD15, 30 and PAX5. PAX5, as in the PAX5, P and X both were later coming, so it is most specific. Most sensitive marker is CD30, and there is on consumption of alcohol there is lymph node pain increases. And in the types, the worst prognosis is given by the lymphocyte depleted Hodgkin lymphoma, best prognosis is given by non-classical Hodgkin lymphoma, and the most common in world is nodular sclerosis, and in most common in India is mixed cellularity. In the world is nodular sclerosis, and in mononuclear RS cells were seen in the lymphocyte rich, and the lacunar cells were seen in with the nodular sclerosis. So these were the most important points, and for the treatment we follow the in this ABVD is followed in the treatment of the Hodgkin lymphoma. So that's all about the Hodgkin lymphoma, and thank you. Bye bye.